Welcome to Chemistry Corner. I am Professor Tang and this is my student Wong. Today we are going to be learning about biochemistry and organic chemistry.
What's biochemistry and organic chemistry?
Biochemistry is the study of chemical processes and the transformations in living organisms, while organic chemistry is a specific discipline within chemistry which involves the scientific study of the structure, properties, composition, reactions, and the preparation of by synthesis or other means of chemical compounds with carbon and hydrogen.
Wow! But what are some examples of biochemistry and organic chemistry?
Well, biochemistry involves everything about living organisms such as us, human beings. On the other hand, organic chemistry involves food and the makeup of every food, such as fruits, apples, vegetables, meat, and bread.
That's really interesting. So that means that biochemistry and organic chemistry are something that's part of everyday life, and that organic chemistry is something that we eat 3 times a day?
That's right! There are actually many different subjects about biochemistry and organic chemistry. The different subjects are actually about polymers, hydrocarbons, the benzene rings, proteins, amino acids, and the functional groups.
Wait a minute. What do polymers, hydrocarbons, and the rest have to do with the organic chemistry and biochemistry?
Well, polymers are in anything since they are molecules joined together. Polymers are in things such as clothing and food.
How amazing! But what are hydrocarbons?
Hydrocarbons are things such as fuels, such as gas and oil. Hydrocarbons also come in the form such as a drug called methane.
Really? Then what's a benzene ring?
Benzene rings come in many different forms, such as natural rubber and saturated fats.
Saturated fats. What are those?
Saturated fats are the unhealthy foods, such as Twinkies and Ding Dongs. Also butter.
Then what are proteins and amino acids?
Proteins and amino acids are actually very similar to each other. You see, amino acids are actually the building blocks of proteins.
That's so awesome. But what are the objects that are related to proteins and amino acids?
Amino acids and proteins are mostly found in meat, seafood, and vegetables, such as fish, corn, and shrimp.
I sure do love to eat those amino acids and proteins. You mentioned earlier about the functional groups. What are those?
Functional groups are actually the basis of many substances, such as alcohol.
My goodness. I would have never thought that so many things could be involved in biochemistry and organic chemistry. Biochemistry and organic chemistry seem to be part of everyday life. Man, I never really understood this biochemistry or organic chemistry before.
Yes, biochemistry and organic chemistry is a very interesting subject. Practically everything you eat involves biochemistry and organic chemistry. Now don't forget about the fact that biochemistry mainly involves about living organisms.
Thank you, Professor Tang.
No problem, student Wong. We'll see you next time on Chemistry Corner.
Examples of biochemistry and organic chemistry.
I messed up.
Yes, I know you did.
Which involves the scientific study of structure, properties, composition, and the synthesis of it. Don't forget about the fact that biochemistry and mainly involves living organisms.
Thank you, Ms. Tang. Okay, my bad. Okay, go back.
Yeah.
You were stuttering.
Yeah.